Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create sign up sheet tracker in Notion. So often sign up sheets are used within events or gatherings where you want to collect the name of people who are interested in offer, right? So what we can do, we can add a new page and then get a table. Currently we don't have any data source, so we start from scratch. So we will keep the default field name as is. We will remove the tags because we don't need it for this purpose. The next thing would be to, we will take a look at phone number, right? Because we already got the name. Next would be getting the phone, right? Next would be email. So we have phone, email, and can also collect other details like which city they are from, etc. Or we can check notes for their interest. We can also use select option, and here interest would be the property name. So we add something like interested, not interested, right? And let's see, unsure, sort of like, right? And we can see cold lead and hot lead, right? So we use these to check if that person is interested in the product or not, right? So these are some of the things we can use. Alternatively, we can also add notes option just to keep an idea for that. So we'll move this to the right. Okay, so here let's see, John Doe is the first person. He has phone number 222-333 and 444, right? Then we have like john at usa.net, and then interest we will extract from list, which is, let's say, interested. Then notes, interested in offer XYZ, right? Then we can also take a look at other things that we can add to, let's say, sign up sheet tracker, right? Apart from this, we can also take a look at the view we can try out. So layout can be bored, but it don't look good, but it will give you an option to add it at the bottom. There is timeline, but it doesn't fit our case. List and gallery doesn't fit either, so we'll stick with table, and below that we can add up new entry, or you can alternatively use this, and here one more table will be added. So we will take the option as board, right? And here you see it will show you all of the cold lead, hot lead, interested, not interested option, right? So here you can simply rename this to, let's say, uh, interest, right? And it will show off. Here you can rename to leads, right? So we have like leads and interests. So click on interest and you will have who is interested. So name of those will appear, which should go to this particular location. So this was your sign up sheet tracker in Notion.